y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is India. Welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for returning back. Y'all know I love y'all. Alright, so today's video is going to be a wash and go. I know, me. I'm gonna do a wash and go. Y'all, I have not done a wash and go in a very, very long time. Y'all know I've been dibbling and dabbling in some heat styles, so I have no idea how my hair is going to turn out. And on top of that, I'm going to use a different gel. I'm scared, but I'm gonna do it, okay? So I know I like to give you guys the pre-products, so I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair. I washed with the Carol Daughter Cocoa Cream Curling Cleansing Shampoo, and then I used the Doux Sweetest Thing Honey Moisture Mask for my deep conditioner. I did a full review on this, so if you didn't see it and if you're interested in my thoughts on this, you know I got you. I'll link it, put it in the description box. Y'all know. Check that out. Today we are going to be using the Doux Big Papa Defining Gel. Y'all, we're gonna use the Doux, okay? We into the Doux. Everybody's talking about the Doux, and I'm really trying to get my hands on the banana one, but the only one I can find is at Target, and y'all know we ain't shopping at Target. I'm not even a Target girly in the first place, so I'm trying not to go, but I really do want that banana gel, so I probably will order it online. But today we're going to use the Big Papa Defining Gel. This is the only product. This is going to be a one product wash and go. Y'all know I don't even really do one product wash and goes, but I'm going to do one today because A, I don't want to be in here doing hair all day, and B, I don't know, I just want to try something new, y'all. Sometimes you got to try something new. So I want to show you guys. The consistency is very thick. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but it's a very thick gel. Smells really good. It has like a kind of fruity smell almost to it. I thought that I had not used this, but y'all, when I opened this up, I was like, girl, you did use this before and clearly put a nice little dent in it. So it's just been a while, I guess, since I used it, and I don't remember using it, which is crazy. It's kind of crazy, but anyway, that's beyond the point. I am going to use it today. Y'all already know how I work. I'm just going to section my hair off into some sections, and then we're going to start applying this gel and see how it does. Now, I'm not even going to lie to y'all. I have my water bottle to keep spraying my hair because I think you need to have your hair pretty wet for this gel. And then if all fails, I have my wet line as a backup. I'm just keeping it real. I'm keeping it real, I'm keeping it honest. Because at the end of the day gotta end, and at the end of the day when it ends, I need my hair to look right. That's all. So we're gonna stop talking, we're gonna jump into it, and I hope y'all enjoy. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna start with this section here. Y'all know your girl likes sections, so when I'm doing my wash and goes, I try to start in very small sections. So y'all, I feel like I haven't done a wash and go in so long. I feel like I'm a beginner. So let's see, because I don't remember what this did to my hair, y'all. Let's see. Okay. Well, I'm not mad at that. I am going to shingle to try to get the most definition that I can, because I also know that I have been heat styling, and you know, just in case we have any heat damage, we're gonna try to make the best of it. And we're just gonna keep pulling small parts and shingling, so I'm not gonna talk y'all through the whole thing. Y'all can watch. Alright y'all, so we are done putting the product in my hair. Now this go round, I wanted to try something different. Y'all, I didn't necessarily want a part, so I'm kind of over middle part, side part, all the things. I didn't really want a part. So y'all know the flip over method that the girls do with like the half wigs or the wigs or whatever the case may be. I want to be able to move my hair to wherever I want it to. So I'm not going to actually put a part. I'm going to let it dry like this. When the days come, I can just move it. So if I want a middle part, I'll put it in the middle part. If I want it in the side part, I can put it in the side part. But if I go ahead and put the part there and let it dry like that, it's harder for my hair to move. So I'm just not going to put a part at all. I'm going to leave it like this, let it dry, and then we'll see what happens. First thing I'll tell y'all is I like it. I feel like it's weighing my hair down, definitely very defining. Like, y'all see these curls. And y'all know I've been using a lot of heat lately, so I was nervous. I was like, I don't know if my curls gonna come back. But as you can see, with this Big Papa Gel, defining gel, it brought my curls back. So I am good to go. So y'all already know how it goes. In order to actually see how this turns out, it's going to be the next day. I'm probably going to end up letting this just air dry for the rest of the night, and then I'll put it up in a pineapple to sleep. And when y'all see me in the morning, I'll take the pineapple down and show you the final results. So, hey y'all, good morning. It is the next day, and as promised, I'm going to show you guys what the wash and go is looking like for me putting it in the pineapple overnight. I was able to air dry for quite a while, so this is what we're looking like. I put a satin scrunchie on it just to hold it up, and let's shake this non-parted wash and go out. So remember, I didn't do any parts. Y'all, this looks good. I'm excited. You know, you never know until you see what it starts to look like when it's drying, but this looks really good. Okay, so I'm just trying to break it up a little bit. I am going to stretch it out. It does have a little bit of a crunch. There are some spots that are still not completely dry all the way, so we're gonna definitely get that out. But y'all, look at this. The definition is definitely there. I think I'm going to really like this gel. Alright y'all, so I'm going to section this off, and I'm going to be using a little bit of this argan oil treatment by the one and only argan oil. I don't know if y'all can see that. There we go. So I'm going to be using this just a little bit to put on my hair after I stretch it. So I'm going to go ahead and stretch it, y'all. I'm just going to be using my blow dryer, and I put the diffuser nozzle on, and we're going to get right to it. Alright, y'all, so we're back, and I did open the door. That's the door behind me, y'all. Got a little hot in here. But y'all, look at my hair. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and add some of this argan oil. Just a little bit. My hair needs nothing. Y'all see how shiny it is already and defined. It absolutely needs nothing. This is just something I always do. If you've seen any of my wash and go videos, or if you know about any of my wash and goes, I always do this. This is like my finishing component. It just keeps your hair extra soft and gives it even more shine and all the things, y'all. And I like the way it smells and all that good stuff, but this is totally optional at this point. Y'all, I'm absolutely loving how it looks with no part. I am loving that. So when I get ready to style it or move it, or if I do feel like, hey, I want a middle part, or hey, I want a side part, because my hair does not have, because I didn't style it already with a specific part, I can move it. So if I want a middle part, if I want a side part, I could just flip it over. Boom, side part. If I want a middle part, well, of course I would have to make the part, more even. But if I wanted the middle part, you see what I'm going? Boom, middle part. Like, I love this. I think this is how I'm gonna start doing my wash and goes from now on, or at least for the next couple of ones, just so it gives me that versatility of looks. Like, I don't have to be nailed down to one part. If I would have actually put a middle part in my hair, I don't know, y'all, it's just like it doesn't want to move. It doesn't want to move. So this is it, y'all. I love that gel. It does leave a cast, so if you don't like a gel cast, then you're probably not gonna like it, but it did leave a cast for me, and y'all know I love that, because what does that mean? That means that this wash and go is going to last, and I'm excited about it. So it is going to last me, and I love that, y'all. So y'all get into these first wash and go of the year. What? First wash and go of the year. And y'all know I've been a heat girly for a minute. So yeah, are we back on wash and goes? Has the Doux brought your girl back to the wash and goes? I don't know, but y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe, all the things you know that us YouTubers love for you to do. And I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.